Hey everyone, I'm Sam with Eagle Creek, and today we'll be checking out the Pack-It Containment Set, which is exactly what it sounds like. This set is perfect for dirty, damp, and even smelly items. It comes with the Isolate Packable Laundry Sac, the small Reveal Clean Dirty Cube, and the small gear pouch. Let's start with the Packable Laundry Sac. Every seasoned traveler knows the benefit of having a laundry bag. Our new Packable Laundry Sac is perfect for separating your dirty clothes from clean and keeping single-use plastic bags out of the landfill. It's treated with Protex 2, an antimicrobial agent which fights odor-causing bacteria for long-lasting stink protection. This super compact pouch unfolds into a large-sized laundry bag, which fits about a week's worth of laundry. The drawstring cinch closure locks in odors and makes it easy to throw over your shoulder when you're ready to head to the laundromat. It also has this top zippered pocket, which is great for tossing in a credit card and even detergent pods. Now, let me show you how easy it is to pack back into this pocket. It's built with a durable ripstop that's super lightweight and washable and water resistant. Now let's talk about the small Reveal Clean Dirty Cube. It has an internal divider so that as you use your clean clothes out of the front, you put your dirty clothes in the back to keep them separate. The front is built with mesh, allowing for breathability and making it easy to see what's inside. And the back is water resistant to help contain moisture and odors. All the main body fabrics are made from 100% recycled post-consumer materials. And it has this really cool angled zipper design, which when open, creates this pocket in the bottom so that while you pack, your clothes don't fall out, and this works great whether you fold or roll. The zipper is super durable and self-repairing, so you never have to worry about overstuffing or split zippers. All the main body fabrics are made from 100% recycled post-consumer materials that are Blue Sign approved. And last but not least, we have the small gear pouch. This gear pouch is made from 100% recycled, super durable fabric that's treated with a TPU laminate coating, making it highly water repellent. It has one main compartment, and the puncture-resistant fabric makes it great for things like multi-tools and other various gear. And the zippers are PU coated for when you need to separate damp items. In addition to being recycled, all materials are PVC free for a safer, more earth-friendly product. And finally, it has a clip hook and snappable loops, making it easy to attach both inside and outside your bag. The Pack-It Containment Set is responsibly built and covered by our lifetime warranty, an ideal choice to separate your items on any adventure.